Section 250.148b, Equipment Grounding Conductor, addresses the requirement for connecting equipment grounding conductors. All equipment grounding conductors must be connected together at any accessible point for equipment grounding conductors in one or more raceways, cable trays, auxiliary gutters, metal enclosures, wireways, panel boards, switchboards, or motor control centers. This means that regardless of the circuit they belong to, all equipment grounding conductors within a box or enclosure must be electrically connected. The purpose of this requirement is to ensure a low impedance path for fault current. A low impedance path facilitates the quick operation of overcurrent protective devices, such as circuit breakers or fuses, in the event of a ground fault. This rapid clearing of the fault minimizes the risk of electrical shock and fire. Connecting all equipment grounding conductors together creates a common ground reference point. This helps to equalize the potential between different metallic parts of the electrical system. This equalization reduces the likelihood of stray voltages or circulating currents, which can cause electrical noise and equipment malfunction. The connection of equipment grounding conductors must be made in a manner that ensures a permanent and reliable electrical connection. Acceptable methods include using listed connectors, such as wire nuts or grounding lugs, that are specifically designed for grounding purposes. The connection must be mechanically secure and provide a low-resistance electrical path. The location of these connections must be accessible. This means that the connections must be readily available for inspection, testing, and maintenance without requiring the removal of any permanent part of the building structure or finish. Accessibility ensures that the grounding system can be easily verified and maintained over time. The requirement applies to equipment grounding conductors in various types of enclosures and raceways. This includes metal enclosures, wireways, panel boards, switchboards, and motor control centers. The intent is to ensure that all metallic parts of the electrical system are properly grounded, regardless of their location or function. Where an equipment grounding conductor is used with flexible cords or cables, the equipment grounding conductor shall be connected to both the equipment and the armor or raceway at suitable intervals not exceeding 6 feet or 1829 mm. This means if you have flexible metal conduit or another type of flexible wiring method employing an equipment grounding conductor within the flexible cable, that conductor has to be connected to both the equipment it is serving as well as the raceway that encloses the conductors at intervals no greater than 6 feet. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, specifies these requirements to maintain electrical safety and proper system operation. Adhering to these regulations is crucial for protecting people and property from electrical hazards.